Hi, welcome or welcome back. My name is Tish. Today we are unboxing our Ipsy Plus for July. Yes, July. This box is $25 a month, and you are guaranteed to get 5 full-size products. Also, you get a makeup bag. And before I start, I want to remember, with the makeup bags from Ipsy, I have a friend, Linda Skidmore. She has a channel. I will link it below. Go check her out. But she makes little goodie bags to take to the cancer center where she lives. And she uses the Ipsy bags to put little goodies in. If you have any bags, any Ipsy bags, little makeup bags running around that you just don't need, I mean, I get 2 every month because I get the Ipsy bag and then I get the Ipsy Plus. So I get 2 every month, and I just don't need 2 extra makeup bags running around my house every month. So I'm going to be sending mine to Linda, so that she's not spending a bunch of money to buy a bunch of empty Ipsy bags. That was challenging. So if you have some, you'd like to get rid of them, please send them to Linda. I will leave her P.O. box in my description box as well. All right, let's move on. This is our Ipsy Plus, and it is for July. Now, the first thing I see, of course, is their absolutely useless card. Has no information. I have no clue why they even put it in there. All right, and then we have our bag, and it says Wanderlust. It says Ipsy right down here. It's got the airplane. It is purple. And it feels like a kid's inner tube. Alright, the next thing we have is Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. That's what that looks like. I win. Okay. That is weird looking. That is what it looks like. And it has all these little black bubble things floating around. You can see them moving down here. That is weird. Also makes me slightly nervous. What is that black stuff? Is it supposed to be there? Oh. I don't know if you can see, but my nozzle is on there is actually crushed. Huh. What does it say on the box? Instantly refresh and moisturize before makeup application with Ciate London's Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, featuring watermelon extract droplets to quench and hydrate. The pink jelly base actively brightens whilst refining pores. Delicately watermelon scented, this unique aqua serum primer grips foundation for long wear with added glow. All right. So at least I know the little black things are supposed to be in there. That's comforting. All right, the next thing we have is Tarte C Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara in black. That is what that looks like. All right. And that is what the component looks like. Ooh. This is what the wand looks like. And I'm kind of happy because every time I get a mascara, it's really wet. Like, gross wet. And it gets all over the place. And I don't like it. So I'm kind of happy that that is not all wet and slimy. All right, the next thing we have is Salmon Vigine Hydroactive Eye Cream. Total Regeneration, Anti-Wrinkle, and Brightening Blended Sodium DNA. Dermatologist tested by Duft & Doft. Alright. And it has an absolutely long list of ingredients that I will have to check out. Okay. And then next we have a Real Her I Am Amazing 24-hour eyeliner. That is what that looks like. We are going to open this up and be smarter than the object we're working with. Yay! And this is what that looks like. And it is a pencil. Those are the lines I can make. They're pretty. Alright. So, eyeliner. And then comes this. This is the Il Makiage Color Boss multi-dimensional eye color in Jackpot. That is what that looks like. It has a sticker on the side here. You pull up like that. And it's all fancy and stuff. And it's green, which we know I'm all about the greens. And it swatches beautifully. However, they're saying that this is $29. One, Il Makiage, $29 for one single eyeshadow. That's just crazy. I mean, I know that you're supposed to be bougie, but that's ridiculous. Two, technically, it's full size. But it's just a technicality. I would have much rather had a small palette or something. Just because it's $29 doesn't make it something I want in my box. I love the color. I like how smooth it went on. I like the pigment. But one, $29 is extreme for a single eyeshadow. That's just crazy. And two, I mean, one shadow. Come on, Ipsy. I want at least three. I gotta make a whole look out of it. Okay. I'm gonna step off my soapbox now. We'll use it. And that's it. That's my box. Alright, so I'm not mad at the box. We got ourselves, let's see, a primer. We got ourselves a mascara. And an eyeliner. And some weird eye cream. and our bag and our eyeshadow. I got my 25 bucks worth. So I can't complain too much. Too much. Just a little though. All right, so that was our Ipsy Plus for July. And wasn't the worst box. It wasn't the best box, but it wasn't the worst box. Boxycharm holds that spot. My first box was horrendous. All right, so I will leave a link. Well, that eyeshadow doesn't want to go nowhere. I will leave a link for Ipsy in my description box. It's my referral link. If you use it to subscribe, I get points, which I can then put towards like other little makeup goodies in their little shop when they have it. And that is it. That is what we have for today's video. So like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I hope everyone has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.